I renovated my aunt's entire apartment from this to this, this to this, and from this to that.
I am becoming God's prodigy. I am becoming God's prodigy.
If you haven't watched part 1 where I transformed the kitchen and the part 2 where I renovated the hallway, go check them out after this video, because out of all the spaces I've worked on, this one gave the biggest transformation. Welcome back my OG bubbies, but if you're new, hi, my name is Betty. Welcome to Bits of Betty, the little corner of the internet where we smile, cry, overthink, and somehow make it funny. Do not hesitate to subscribe. Now, when I started this space, I quickly realized I couldn't just empty the entire room and paint everything at once. There was furniture and stuff everywhere, and honestly, I had nowhere else to put them. So I came up with a plan. Instead of tackling the whole room at once, I worked one wall at a time. I moved everything away from the wall I wanted to work on, push it to the middle or another side of the room, then paint the section of the wall and the ceiling above it. Once that area was done, I moved everything again and repeated the process on the next wall. Not the fastest method, I know, but I got the job done anyways. And let me tell you, covering that wallpaper was a job on its own. Some parts went on pretty well, but that particular wallpaper with the red design, it refused to disappear. I had to keep painting over and over and over again. In the end, it took about 4 coats of paint before the wallpaper patterns were finally hidden and the wall started looking the way I wanted. At that point, I could finally see the transformation coming together. Okay, so it's 3 a.m. and I'm really tired. I've actually finished one side, but I'm waiting for the ceiling to dry up and then I'll go the second coat, no, the third coat actually. Yeah, I'm watching a movie. Yeah, I look horrible. Let me show you the work so far. I painted over the wallpaper. Don't say I'm crazy. I'm done with this side of the wall and this side of the ceiling. I will just go another coat and another coat to make it 3 coatings so it can be better like here. So yeah, if I finish, I'll push this table there, bring this chair here and deal with this side.
Fringes on, stepping out the house like a daughter of Zion. Covered up, but the glow on me loud, ain't no denying. Not vain, but I walk with a holy alignment. Beauty and obedience, no world can define it. Every stitch got a purpose, yeah. Every move I'm still worshiping. My reflection ain't my idol, the Most High's my only king. Ring is on, looking right. Wanna see the drip tonight. Set apart, living life. I don't chase the world spotlight. Fringes on, who you like? Good but still I shine so bright. I'm chosen, that's the vibe. Walking in the truth with pride. Not a show, it's the fruit of the spirit inside me. Every step, every thought, he refined me. Cover heart, cover body, cover mind. Virtue in my steps, royalty in my design. Every stitch got a purpose, yeah. Every move I'm still worshiping. My reflection ain't my idol, the Most High's my only king.
Hi. So yeah, it's another day and just an update. I'm done with the whole, painting the whole. Just left with the wallpaper I'll have to work on here. Everything is off the wall, the TV, the mounts and everything. So yeah, let me just show you what I have going on here. I just have to work on here a little. Done painting. Yeah, so let me just work on it while I record so you see. Okay, After painting the 3 walls, I left the TV wall untouched on purpose. The plan was to turn it into a feature wall using this beautiful wallpaper I got from Temu. Here is the link. The link will also be in the description, so if you are interested, you can copy the link and put it in your browser and buy from there. The wallpaper is thick, durable, and has this smooth, almost mirror-like finish that makes it look much more expensive than it actually is. I ordered 6 pieces, thinking that would be enough to cover the entire wall. Well, it wasn't. At first, I planned to start from one side and work my way across the wall, but after laying down a few pieces, I quickly realized I was going to run out before reaching the end, so I had to change my strategy. Instead of starting from one corner, I began from the center where the TV would be mounted. I placed one strip on the right, then one on the left, working my way outward to create a balanced look. That way I was able to cover the most important part of the wall and make the wallpaper the focal point of the space. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough pieces to finish the side. Since I was working with a tight deadline and there wasn't enough time to order more and wait for delivery, I decided to paint the remaining sections white instead. And honestly, it worked out better than I expected. The contrast between the wallpaper and the white paint made the wall look clean, modern, and intentional. I also used the left pieces at the top and bottom of the TV area, so nothing went to waste. Before we continue, let me tell you this for a fact. I stand by this wallpaper because tell me why I had already stuck it onto the wall, then realized I needed to change the whole layout. I was actually expecting a disaster, but when I peeled the wallpaper off, the wallpaper underneath, which is very thin and paper-like, didn't peel off with it. It didn't tear, it wasn't even damaged in any way, and the sticky backing on the wallpaper I'm using still as good as new. It stuck back onto the wall perfectly, like I had just taken it out of the package for the first time. No loss of adhesion, no curling at the edges, no issues at all. At that point, I knew the quality was actually worth talking about. Now let's continue. There was a small gap left in the middle, but that won't be visible once the TV is mounted because the TV is large enough to cover that section completely. The wall isn't 100% finished yet. I'll complete the remaining sides when I'm back again, but for now, I think it came together really well.
Looking right, wanna see the drip tonight. Set apart, living life. I don't chase the world spotlight. Fringes on, holy light, but still I shine so bright. I'm chosen, that's the vibe. Walking in the truth with pride.
I'm pointing because we just fixed the TV. It is very heavy because it's huge. So yeah, let me just show you.
Looking right, wanna see the drip tonight.
Maybe you're wondering why this side is bigger than here. TV was mounted here, so it means it's not in the middle of the entire wall. The TV has to be in the middle of the sticker. That is why it became like this. Either way, it's all good. Everybody
Video. Wait, wait, confirmation. So this AP this will
Hi, so it's another day, and today I went to get frames for the Canva designs I bought online. So I went with my sister. I got some frames. I wanted all black. I mean the edge of the frame to be black, but I went to Action and I got one black per the size of the Canva design, which is 50 by 70. But I didn't get black for the 3 designs, so I had to choose silver. And the silvers were, I wanted either 3 blacks or 3 silvers, but the silvers were only 2, the black was 1. So I just picked the 2 silvers and then the 1 black, so that the black will be in the middle. So yeah, let me show you the frames and show you the Canva design. These are the frames. So pretty. The designs in there already looks good, so I don't know if I should keep it like that, but nah, that is not what we are going for. So this is one, just something simple. So this is the second design. You don't worry, if I finish you'll see it clearly. And this is the third design. The material of the design is really good. It's not paper like, it's not too hard, it's not too soft. Really, really good, which I love very much. Let's just get right into it.
Just the one who's still running the show. Let it go, let it go. He got everything you can't control. all the doubt, all the pain in your soul. Trust the one who's still running the show.
Hi, hello. It is yet another day, and don't mind the fit I'm wearing. These are the fit from yesterday, but yeah, it's another day. I'm going to do the floors today. They are in, and we bought about 13 pieces here, 13 pieces of them, so I'm hoping they will be enough. I'm very sure there will be even more than enough. So yeah, I'm going to do the floors today. Look at how the hall is looking so good. I like what is going on here. So yeah, let me just show you the pieces of the stickers. These are them. Black and what looks like silver but it's white to match the theme of the hall. I'm still in love. It looks so good. And I did this here. I don't know how good this is. So this is what the floor looks like. It is cemented, very smooth, so it will stick really well. I'm happy about it. What the heck? Hey, look at me. Hey, what did you do?
Yeah. Don't take video.
Okay.
You know that I can see me.
Sue me for what?
Yes, because you are taking video without my permission.
From Matt. Sue me for what? So let's get right into the video. Let's make the floor look good. I worked on the bathroom, the rooms, and the bathroom and the rooms, but I'm not adding that to the video because, like I said, they are personal spaces. So yeah, bye. Wait, I forgot to add. This thing is also a sticker, but for the edge of the wall. So after the floor sticker, I will stick this at the edge to make it look good.
Slow down, sis. Soft restraint. I used to fight just to feel in control. Got it hard, heavy mind, couldn't let things go. But grace taught me love is a softer role. Strength and peace, that's how I grow. Soft instead of hard, yeah, I'm learning my role. Patience in my voice, sweetness in my soul.
I'm done with this side. I'm moving to this side. Yeah, and I use the edge sticker. See how good it looks. This side I'll just paint it to get rid of it. Yeah, it's looking good already. So I'll finish up. I won't be able to record because I'm tired of recording. And I need to finish up fast.
Fringes on, stepping out the house like a daughter of Zion. Covered up, but the glow on me loud, ain't no denying. Not vague, but I walk with a holy alignment. Beauty and obedience, no world can define it. Every stitch got a purpose, yeah. Every move I'm still worshiping. My reflection ain't my idol, the Most High's my only king. Ring is on, looking right. Honesty the drip tonight. Set apart, living life. I don't chase the world spotlight. Fringes on, who you like? Good but still I shine so bright. I'm chosen, that's a vibe. Walking in the truth with pride. Not a show, it's the fruit of the spirit inside me. Every step, every thought he refined me. Cover heart, cover body, cover got a purpose, yeah. Every move I'm still worshiping. My reflection ain't my idol, the Most High's my only king. Bring it on, looking right. Want to see the drip tonight. Set apart, living life. I don't chase the world spotlight. Fringes on, holy light. But still I shine so bright. I'm chosen, that's the vibe. Walking in the truth with pride. In your light, set apart.
At this point, you can probably tell how tired I was already. But yeah, I pushed through and got everything done. After all the moving, painting, adjusting, readjusting, and figuring things out along the way, the space is finally complete. Are you ready for the reveal? Drum roll, please. Here is the reveal.
Oh my God! Got these fears on my back trying to weigh me down, but I know I ain't meant just to wear that crown. When the stress in my chest get too loud, too strong, I lay it down, heaping there.
Finally done with the entire house renovation. And so if you want to see how it all started, check out the part 1 where I transformed the kitchen and the part 2 where I worked on the hallway. Thanks for watching this journey with me.
Trust the one who's still running the show.